In the real world, an object can be a material thing, a creature, or a concept. Let's see how we might represent them in a computer program. Lamps can be described by the style, dimensions, and color of the shade. It can have three-way switch feature to turn on, turn off, or dim lights. Dog can be classified by its breed, color, size, and gender. Dog can sit, bark, and run, among other things. A point is a pair of values on a Cartesian graph. It can be plotted, moved, or joined with another point to form a line. As you can see, each object has a unique set of data and operations. The data part of an object is called attributes or properties. They describe what an object is. The operations part of an object is called methods or functions. They describe what an object does or what can be done with it. Modern programming languages provide the structure for encapsulating data and operations into a single unit. A blueprint for a house shows the relationships between rooms, spaces, traffic patterns, and other physical features. Houses built on the same blueprint have same physical features. Class is like a blueprint for an object. It's a set of codes that define the attributes and methods of an object. Objects that are created with the same class type have the same features. Don't mind the class syntax here, as we're using pseudocode. Each programming language has its own class syntax. To use an object, we need to create it first. We create an object by calling the class name with the new keyword. This is like telling a manufacturer, "Hey, build me a new lamp." The lamp object is then assigned to a variable of the same class type. This way, we can use the variable name to operate the lamp we just created. We can customize the attributes of the lamp by calling new lamp with parameters. This is like telling a manufacturer, "Hey, build me a lamp with the following specifications." The so-called manufacturer has a special name in the class. They're called constructors. The constructors are special methods defined in the class along with attributes and other methods. When a class name is called with no parameter, the default constructor runs. This creates an object with default values. When a class name is called with parameters, the constructor with parameters runs. This creates an object customized to the parameter values. In the earlier video, we introduced list and string. If they look similar to the lamp object, that's because they are objects. A list is created by calling the list constructor and a string by calling the string constructor. And each has its own set of methods.